Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be solving a question on polygons. We have a question on the board. Draw a pentagon by dividing it into triangles, so show that the sum of the interior angles of the pentagon is 540 degrees. So, a pentagon, we have learned that a pentagon solution. We have learned that a pentagon is a shape with 5 sides. Is a shape with 5 sides. And we remember that in order to find the sum of the interior angles in a pentagon, we use the relationship S, which means sum of interior angles, is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. That is, S is equals to 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180. 3 times 180 gives 540 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles in the pentagon is 540 degrees. So we are going to actually draw a pentagon now and divide it into triangles and see if the sum of the interior angles of the pentagon will be 540 degrees. So here we have a pentagon. So let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentagon. So we are going to try to divide this pentagon into triangles. So we can see this is the first triangle, the second triangle, and the third triangle. And in the previous class, we have learned that in a triangle, the sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And in the pentagon, we have three triangles. So 3 triangles. So pentagon equals 3 triangles. So when you want to get the sum of the interior angles in the pentagon using the number of triangles we have, it's going to be the sum of the interior angle of the first triangle plus the sum of the interior angle of the second triangle plus the sum of the interior angle in the third triangle. So sum of interior angle in pentagon equals sum of all interior angles in the triangles. So, which is the first one, we said the sum of the interior angles in a triangle is 180. So, for the first triangle, it will be 180 plus the second triangle, 180, the third triangle, 180. When you input this value into the calculator, you have 540 degrees. So, we have been able to prove by dividing a pentagon into a triangle that the sum of the interior angles in a pentagon is 540 degrees. Thank you for listening. Book DR Tutors for your personalized online mathematics, chemistry, and biology classes at an affordable price. Follow DR Tutors for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.